Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to this week's episode. So, as you see right there, our little baby, she's only like a year old. Her and Buka, that's Buka right there. Yep, they had some babies. So, she had 3 boys, 2 girls. I want to keep one of the girls, but then I want to keep one of the boys. But I wanted to show you guys. So, let's look. So this little stinker decided at 4 a.m. she was going to have babies under our bed. So we're asleep. Next thing you know, all I hear is ew, ew. So as you see, we had to go under there and take video and make sure they were all right and count and see how much they had. And they had them right in the corner. So you see, we moved her already into her own little special tent. But at 4 a.m., you're hearing kittens, and then you go and look. This is not what you want to see. So I was definitely up all day from there, but what can you resist? Like I said, 3 boys, 2 girls. The ginger one's a boy, the calico one's a girl. The 2 ones that were hugging in the previous video are girls, and the rest are boys. We got 2 twin boys and a ginger. So yep, this is the life. We're definitely not going to keep them, and we're going to get her spayed, but yeah. Give you some meat. Yeah, you good daddy. Hey, you alright, mamas? We put food in the bowl for Buka and she ran straight down here. I'm gonna get the babies and put them up right now for her.
She ran for some food. I poured that food in that bowl. All I hear is do 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 do. Luna came flying down the steps. I said, "Dang." She said, "Forget y'all." She was hungry.
Yeah.
She just gave us the 5 kids.
Yeah.
See if they'll find their way.
Now let's put this in here because this is
How
what
many
she
you
had
getting
on.
rid of?
Get this
No, the one she had him on is still back there.
Okay, let's get that. But here, still. Lift that up. Lift up your
Go
side.
ahead and put one in the little box and just send it over.
It's gonna die.
Nah,
Then bring it with you. I want one.
You gotta ask mom and dad. I'm not getting in trouble. They say yes.
I can't see them.
Then I bring them. Bring you.
No.
They look like raw chickens.
That's the one I'm talking about. I want right here.
I was thinking I was wanting more. You know.
Let's see if right here. Hello.
But I didn't know if I could wear the other one to interviews. The interviews. Because it's hard to put back in, and I have an interview Tuesday.